An ideal gas obeying kinetic theory of gases can be liquefied if its temperature is more than critical temperature, its pressure is more than critical pressure, its pressure is more than at a temperature less than Tc, that is critical temperature. It cannot be liquefied at any value of pressure and temperature. So what is ideal gas? Ideal gas is the gas which obeys ideal gas equation at all conditions of temperature and pressure. And the ideal gas equation is derived from the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. And what are the postulates of kinetic theory of gases? With respect to this question, if I see, according to kinetic theory of gases, the intermolecular forces of attraction between the gas molecules is negligible, because the intermolecular forces of gas molecules are negligible. Now let us see that postulate now. So how can I convert a gas to liquid? By applying pressure. If I apply pressure, the molecules will come close to each other. If they come close to each other, intermolecular forces of attraction increases. So intermolecular force of attraction increases means the gas can be converted to liquid. So by applying pressure or by reducing the temperature, the gas can be liquefied, because by applying pressure or decreasing the temperature, we can increase the intermolecular forces of attraction. But according to kinetic theory of gases, the intermolecular forces of attraction between the gas molecules are negligible. So there is no point in liquefying the gas. Ideal gas cannot be liquefied at all, because the intermolecular forces of attraction in ideal gas are negligible according to kinetic theory of gases. So what is the point here? An ideal gas cannot be liquefied at any value of pressure and temperature. What is the reason? According to kinetic theory of gases, we are assuming that the intermolecular forces of attractions are negligible.